Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is for anyone using the snipping tool on Windows 11 and wondering, hey, where did the ruler go? If you have used the ruler tool before for drawing straight lines or measuring stuff on your screenshots and suddenly it's gone, don't worry, I will walk you through why it's missing and how to get it back or use other options. All right, first let's make this clear. As of the most recent updates in 2024 and 2025, the built-in Windows 11 snipping tool doesn't always include the ruler by default anymore. Microsoft made some changes to its features depending on the version you're running. Step 1, check that you're using the latest version of the snipping tool. Open the Microsoft Store. Click on Library from the left-hand side and look for Snipping Tool in the list. If there is an update button next to it, go ahead and hit Update. This ensures you're not stuck with an older version that may have bugs or missing features. After updating, open the Snipping Tool again, take a screenshot, and click the bin icon to enter the editing mode. In older versions, the ruler used to appear automatically at the top as a drawing tool. In the current version, however, Microsoft removed that specific ruler tool from the interface for many users. So what now? Well, there are a few ways to work around it. Option 1, use Microsoft Whiteboard. It has a built-in ruler tool that's very precise. Just open the Whiteboard app, insert your screenshot, and use the ruler there to draw or measure. Option 2, install PowerToys by Microsoft. This ability includes a feature called Screen Ruler under the Mouse Abilities section. It allows you to make sure big cells on the screen using a quick keyboard shortcut. To install PowerToys, go to GitHub or the Microsoft Store, search for Microsoft PowerToys, and download. Once it's installed, enable the Screen Ruler in the settings and you will be able to measure distance on screen with a clean floating ruler overlay. Now, if you're only looking for a way to draw clean straight lines inside the snipping tool editor, you can still do that by holding Shift while dragging with the pin tool. This lets you draw a straight line even without the visual ruler. Pretty cool, right? It's a hidden shortcut a lot of people don't know about. Just click the pin, hold Shift and drag. It will stay perfectly straight. If you still want that classic ruler, your best bet is to leave feedback directly to Microsoft. Open Snipping Tool and select Send Feedback. The more people requested, the more likely they will bring it back. To sum it up, update the Snipping Tool, try the Shift-Drag shortcut for straight lines, or install PowerToys for a full-screen ruler. And if needed, use Microsoft Whiteboard for precise line work. Let me know in the comments, did you use the ruler a lot before it disappeared, and what workaround worked best for you? If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell so you never miss. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.